Understanding the Basics, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to our quick guide on understanding the essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of explainer videos. Explainer videos are short, engaging clips that make complex ideas simple. They use clear language and visuals to get the point across. These videos are perfect for businesses. They can explain products or services in a way that's easily digestible to the audience. The key to a successful explainer video lies in its storytelling. It's not just about the facts, but how you present them. Animation is a popular choice. It allows for creativity and can make even the driest topic interesting and fun. Voiceover is the backbone of any explainer video. The right tone can make your message more relatable and memorable. Investing in a quality explainer video can transform how your audience